Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Today's video, we're going to be talking about the Civic Coupe. Some of the parts came in today, and some parts are on the way. And hopefully, I can give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek behind the scenes of the direction that we're going with the Civic Coupe. So hopefully, you guys took advantage of the Black Friday deals for car parts. It's not often you see car parts go on sale. And, you know, even though it's 20% off, it's better than nothing because half the time they don't even do 20% off on parts. So, and even if you're sponsored, there's been a lot of podcasts and a lot of people talking about, you know, even when we were sponsored with the company, the most we got was like 20%. So take advantage of the 20 to like, I think the most I've seen was like 50% deals on car parts, and just take advantage of it because, you know, you don't know when's the next time they're going to be on sale. And it's not often that they go on sale as well. So, but a few things that we got on Black Friday. We got resto tuner engine hardware kit. So this just came in. Freaking UPS or USPS just showed up kind of late, but here is all the engine hardware bolts from resto tuner. This is all silver zinc. Super hyped to install all of this. It's gonna definitely make the engine bay look a lot better. And then we also got the fuse box sticker right here that I'm gonna be replacing. But man, I'm so excited to start, you know, taking some bolts off, putting these new bolts in. It's gonna look so much better in the engine bay as well. And yeah, dude, I can't believe it's finally here, man. Finally. But complete kit, so everything in the engine bay is gonna be now silver zinc, which is gonna look really good. I also got the fuse box cover sticker. Since mine's falling apart, I got a brand new one from them, and that should be coming in very soon. Another thing I ordered was through Speed Factory was the Muteki lug nuts. It's such a good deal. Original price is $110. On sale price was like $50. So can't really beat that price for some legit lug nuts that's not gonna fucking, you know, fall apart or get torn like the O'Reilly ones. They're really good quality, and it's gonna look really good on the car as well. And what else am I trying to think that I ordered? I believe that is it. I'm not exactly too sure what I'm ordering. Right now, I've just been on Facebook Market trying to find some good deals on Facebook Market, but I haven't really found anything. Just a lot of people not selling anything. Facebook Market is kind of dead right now, which is kind of rare because back then it used to be super popping, but as of right now, it's just literally nothing that people are selling. So I'm gonna just keep on looking, see if I can find anything, and hopefully, you know, we run into a good deal and get something. But the main things that I'm looking for is Honda. I think that's the main thing that I was saving up for. I have the money for it. It's just I'm waiting for the people to hit me up and be like, I'll sell it for that price. I was supposed to buy one from one of the homies before they parted out the car, but they just sold that thing so quick. I just didn't have time to come up with the bread and you just go buy it. But you know, it's just one of those things where if you stall, you starve. So I need to stop stalling and starving. I need to start jumping and fucking buy it, because you don't know when the next time you get it. So that's basically it for today's video. Just want to talk to you guys about a few of the parts that's coming in, what to look forward to with the car. I'm not gonna leak much, but I'm gonna just say this. This will be the last weekend with the car. I'm not gonna tell you guys any more, but super excited for the future. What's up, guys? Starting today's video, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we're gonna be installing some corner lights, and we're also gonna be showing some of the parts that we got over the weekend, and some of the parts should be coming in today. And I'm showing you some parts that came in already, that's already on the car. But today's video, we're gonna be installing some clear corners. Yes, sir. I've been actually waiting on installing these because it's been so cold, and I thought it was gonna be difficult. Like, I need to take off the bumper and stuff, but apparently I just need to take off a Phillips and it just pops right out. So I'm gonna go do that, mess with that, pop them out, and then we're gonna install these. We're gonna do some before and after photos, and you're probably gonna be seeing that in this video. And then it's gonna change the whole look of the front end. I'm super hyped. It's gonna be clear corners with the amber bulb. It's gonna look really good. But I've been seeing a lot of other photos of, you know, EGs with the corner, the clear corners, and it just looks way better. So I'm super excited to throw these on my car. It's basically brand new, and it still has the wrap on it. I'll show you guys here in a bit. So as you guys know, we are fixing a lot of things on the Civic Coupe. We fixed the throttle body, we fixed some wiring, we fixed some of the gauges as well. Some of the gauges wasn't working. I think I need to go back and fix the oil pressure. I just need to go back and fix those wires again, because the way they routed them and how much wire they gave for those wires is not enough. And I think I could do a little bit better in, you know, tucking the wires away and, you know, hiding some wires. But with it being fucking 30 degrees and we're damn near in December, I probably won't be doing much until probably next upcoming spring, summerish time, when I actually have time and when it's actually nice to, you know, start working on that stuff. But here are some parts that we have right here. We got some clear corners for the EG. I actually been taking pictures of the car, and I've been seeing a lot of cars online with clear corners with the amber light bulb, and it looks really good. So that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be swapping out the amber corners for some clear, and I think it's definitely going to change the whole front end of the look. Another thing that I'm going to be doing eventually, I don't know when I'll be able to afford this piece, but I'm going to get the Rocket Dancer lip now. If you order it through ICB, I believe it's already painted black, which my car is black, and I don't have to, you know, send it to Puga to, you know, get painted and stuff like that. It already comes black, and the Rocket Dancer lip looks really good on the EG coupes, or just EGs in general. It's not a common lip that everybody runs. A lot of people do like carbon fiber, like the first molding lip, or just a carbon spoon lip. But I would like to rock a spoon lip as well, but I think for the way that I want to build this coupe, which is kind of like an OEM plus resto mod feel with it, because as you guys know, the motor's been completely been changed inside and out, and I kind of want to keep it like that OEM kind of look, but give it some taste of, like, you know, this is a Japanese hot rod, like a resto mod car. And so we're gonna be doing clear corners. We also got some extended studs. I've been stalling on installing these for so long, because I know that once I get those spindles off and, you know, start taking out the wheel bearing and stuff like that, we're probably going to be replacing a whole lot of parts, like the wheel bearing, ball joints, maybe even a tie rod. Like, I'm not exactly too sure what's going on once I take that off, or if any of the boots are going to be loose or be okay if we take it off or not. That's why I'm scared to install those, because we have to take those things off and get them pressed out as well to be able to install those things in. So it's just kind of like, damn, do I really want to go through all that, or do I just send it to, you know, one of the homies' shops and just have them, you know, just drop the car off, have them do their thing with the extended studs, get that done and out of the way so I don't have to deal with it, which does sounds really good, because I really don't want to do it. And then over here we have a K-Tune 4-bar map sensor. The map sensor I have on my car is currently working still. I've been debating on just swapping this in, because the other map sensor is being held by zip tie. I might just toss it in and order another one just for backup. But as of right now, the map sensor in the car is still working. It's just held by zip tie so it doesn't come off. Mugen valve cover. I bought this from the homie Brock. I was planning on using it, but the coil bracket that fits on this, or that's supposed to be on this with the coil packs, doesn't fit. It needs a whole custom bracket meant for this valve cover, and not that many people make it. It costs around like $300, and I don't want to spend $300 on another bracket just to get this valve cover on. So we ended up just sticking with the valve cover that I currently have. I might eventually take it off, put this one on just for so nothing gets inside the motor, to paint the other valve cover. I'm thinking about doing a wrinkle black or some sort, and maybe have my homie Chad do it, because he did a really good job doing a valve cover, or his valve cover doing the wrinkle red. So I don't know. Like I said, all this stuff needs to be done in sometime in the spring, summerish time, because right now it's just too cold to paint anything. I don't have like a heated paint booth, or you know, even a heat gun to make sure that the paint even stays. So this is the clear corners that we have. As you guys can tell, it's basically brand new, still wrapped. And then right here I have my Husky Phillips. Should be the right size, should be pretty easy install. And like I said, I never had an EG to be like messing with. All the cars I had was like EKs or like Integra. I wasn't exactly sure how these corner lights were staying in, but apparently it's just this bolt and it pops right out. So should be a fairly easy install. We're gonna do that real quick, take some photos before and after, and install these clear corners. All right guys, so we just installed the clear corners, and like I said, it looks way better. I wish I did a video of before and after, but you guys can tell by the photos. But man, I didn't even take the wrapping off. Are you guys ready for this? I feel like I could do a little bit more adjustment on this. I feel like it's sitting up a little too high, or maybe it's my bumper, I'm not too sure, but it's in the spots where it needs to be. It looks really good. Let's take this wrapping off. Wow. Sheesh. Or my headlight's just dirty and needs to be clean, but dang, that looks so good. Sheesh. I'm gonna do some cinematics for you guys, and that looks so good. All right guys, so we got the hood popped up, and just to show you guys the bolts, like I had these Password JDM ones and barely had it for that long, and it's already, you know, corroding. This is like less than 6 months with these bolts installed, and then these bolts are like pretty crusty. I replaced these ones. I'm probably gonna replace it again. And this is Password JDM. Yes, I can't even talk. Password JDM bolts. I'm probably gonna be leaving this one, but gonna be definitely swapping everything else out. As you guys can tell on the edges right here, the fenders, where the fuse box is at, and then here's my fuse box cover that needs to be replaced. So I'm definitely gonna bring this inside, do the taping and stuff inside, make sure it's cleaned up, and make sure that it adheres onto the piece, that plastic piece, a lot better. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna start taking bolts out one by one, replacing them, and show you guys after. Try this shit again. Shit, it's fucking too cold.